So this is going to be a quick video showing you how to replace the cover on your center console in a 4th-gen Dodge Ram truck. First step is to take it off. That's kind of self-explanatory. It's just a few screws, unscrew it. Next step, as you can see, I'm going around the edge and using that tool that is meant to pop out plastic clips, but it works well on this as well. So just go around and pop your plastic off the edges like that. So before you can take this handle cover off, you have to flip it back around and take these screws off that are underneath it, holding it all down. There are 4 T9 Torx bit screws that you have to take off for this handle application. Take these 4 out before you start popping the plastic around that handle. It's also stapled in there too, so you have to rip it off the staples and then undo it off these plastic clips. Okay, the 2 that holds the handle down is a Torx T10. And then this comes off. I may take a knife to get this off. I'd start folding it from the back side. Okay, so now that you have your new cover, lay it down and insert your cushion and hard plastic inside of it. The goal to keep this new cover looking stock and presentable is to put it on there really tight. In order to do that, you have to see what I'm doing right now, and that is stretching the cover in order to apply it to the hard plastic clips. That keeps the cover on tight and allows no wrinkles to be seen. And as you can see, an oil spill has occurred, which my brother decided to make, but ignore the mess, as we will proceed into finishing the final touches of this new cover for the center console lid. Be sure to put every screw back into where they go, and do not over torque these screws, as it is very easy to do. The wrinkles that you see are just from shipping. They should disappear over time, so I'm sure yours will do the same thing, so don't worry about that. So now you need to cut slices into every hole where clips will go. The holes that are pre-punched when you order this are definitely not big enough in order for the clips to fit in, so you have to work your way around and use a razor blade and make perfect small cuts in order for this bottom black housing to pop into place. So this is the tedious process of lining up the clips and snapping them in place. I think I actually broke 2 in the process, but it didn't affect anything. But this takes a while to do, but just have patience and you can get it done. Just be careful not to try to break it all. And see those 2 little chrome screws I have screwed in the middle of that material? I did that to keep the material from sagging because there's just nothing else to prevent it from doing that. So just do that as well. So this is the final step. Put the screws back in, torque them down, not too tight, just tight enough. And you have yourself a new center console. It looks great, and it saves you a lot of money versus buying a new console on eBay or at a wrecking yard. This alone only costs less than 20 bucks, and it took me an hour, but if you view this video, it'll probably take you 30 minutes to save you some time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more content. Clean it off, but there she is. Looks good.